Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make transparent text in DaVinci Resolve. It's quite easy. First of all, we need to head over to Effects tab, then go to Titles, and right from here you need to choose the title whichever you like. I'll just proceed with this one. So just select it and drag and drop to your timeline. Okay, and now you can just stretch this text to the point you want your text to be visible. Then select the text, go to Inspector and just type your text. I'm gonna type summer. Okay, from this drop down you can choose the font you like. I'm just gonna go ahead with this Open Sans. Then from this drop down you can make your font italic, bold. I'll just make my font extra bold, and these changes you can do according to your need. Once you're happy with the changes, just go to Settings, scroll and choose the composite mode on difference. Get back to title, and here on the color we need to choose the color according to our need. So like if you wanna make this text a bit greenish, you can choose the green color. Like you can experiment with this color, and whichever you like you can go ahead with that. So let's say I go with white and decrease the brightness a bit to get this kind of effect, and just click on OK. And yeah, there you go. This is the best way to make your text transparent in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.